My people, after I don't eat my pounded yam, I like wow, those people wey senior me. See, this something they hungry you. It good make you dey eat out. Before I call you that pounded yam just now, you know what you now why you are. You know what you now why you are. I just do, but any question where they go ask me, the way when me go to reply, they'll come look my face, my family. They call and say, Mama, what did they do you? Now I say nothing. I don't know what did they do me. My husband say, what did they do you? Now I say, I want you swallow. You know if you understand. He say, me I swallow now. Now tell and say, I dey do diet now. He say, one day, he no go say make you fat now. That man can encourage me. He say, go eat now. You know that one they worry you because when we have your panic now, this your panic not good at all. Now say he just dey hungry me. My brain say make I put on. My brain say me I go do padedia. My husband say me now I go do padedia. Just now where I go to eat to. As I don't eat now, my body don't come. EJ. If you see me just now, before I come down, if maybe when person or concrete person, you'll come see my ass say, Madam, what did they do you now? Nothing they do me, oh. Not because I say, I don't want you swallow. If I swallow, it's gonna be like say, the diet I don't cancel. My people, I beg. If you now know what I go they drink, na tea, if na tea, mona tell me. Mona inbox me or mona leave for my comment section. May I go buy? May I tea yagbeg be me wa? I no fit to. EJ. I'll just say this one they hungry me. I say no, I know they eat like that oh. I know be that as I just eat that part then I wanna just see so it don't finish. Maybe in the evening or later, say maybe hungry come they hold me. I'll say okay, me I just take like banana or mela. No mela ample. They can't take it like that. Finish. Now leave that one. I know the person way like in the morning like this. If I wake up, I'll just do no. I know in the morning if I wake up, I know they take anything like that. Maybe I feel just take a bekere na not bekere na. I feel just take bekere or banana, or maybe this avocado where I tell now just now we don't call now for that here a pear. I feel just eat that one. I'll just drink maybe tea, little tea, drink and put finish. Then when you go there like around 3, I'll come find some tea, say, okay, me I eat, you know. Say like maybe padedia and they hungry me like just now I go eat or maybe if na rice. I know they eat rice like that. And they sometimes they like me and they eat a swallow. Just I know they eat like that too. Even spaghetti, pasta. Yeah. I know they eat pasta for where if I want even eat spaghetti self, you go maybe I want use fish taste one, all those one where they don't understand now. With fruit de mare all mixed together. Say me I can cook pasta. I'll come put cheese. You worry you very on. You not go hungry me, but I see the fat. I don't tire for this my body. I don't tire for the body. No one go down. I mean I get that kind of fat way thick. You know, so I no say get that fat way be say you go make like stash. You understand? Not be say they love people where get down. Those people, they quit, they go down. Hey, if they say me they really go down. If they like maybe they waka, you go they see them. Me go waka 100 times. I go still there. Maybe me with that person where be say that one where be say if fat not too thick. You understand? That one feel just enter. Maybe that one where be say if fat not too much, you know. Me with our go waka like for a month. That one feel lose 1 kilo or 2 kilo. Me, I go still there for maybe I never even start at all. Maybe I never even start. No say na different fat na person get for body. My old thick like bokuta. He thick no be small thing. You know they quit they come down. Sometimes I will say I just dey waka, but I know the sleep. You go be like say I dey less. I don't know as I tired. I know the but you go just like work boho something like that. but you no go sleep. If I go stand for, say maybe I want where I'll say, I be that feeling, say maybe my people, I don't feel shouty. My husband say you are okay like this, you dey okay like this. Me, I not like I not they like you. I not like me na that kind of person wey not like fat. It's just that the fat no say I not like and I make can sit down for my body. Say I go nowhere. I don't know what I want to where go take go somewhere. I'll say tomorrow I'll go start. Me I go they do. Me I go start gym. Me I go they do exercise. Me I go this one for where in your ball. Very lazy thing. I get what they call tapiroland. And not tapiroland. That one where they take they run. And that machine where you stand on top, you can't they run for where. That one, if I join enter, I don't know whether they do not like that too. If I join enter, say I don't they do one, don't they do one. If I come down, hey, I go say who say me make I enter. You go girare my eye. You go come, I can't do like this. Hey, who say make I enter? Who say make I enter? I'll say next tomorrow I not do again. I go run. I know they do. The one where they tell they do like this, I still get time. Me eti italo, yeti silinie o. Yeti silinie o. I understand, say maybe if I want to go gym, you feel go with somebody, you know, and if you go with somebody, go come they sweet you. Sometimes people say, maybe we go they do all this dancing, you know, I know say some weird day you go the music, they'll come they. I know fish chat again. I know fish chat. If I eat what I like, me I dey eat what I like. If the fat you want go, he go. If you don't want go, my husband say leave her for there. Oh joy. I use that to like you like that. Wahala be like Mexico where no get break. Oh joy. I don't feel short. That time where I did for Nigeria, I sleep. I be like this thing. I sleep. You know, all everything they okay. Now the time where I be say I can't come abroad, now there I can't dey like. I can't born one. I can't born two. I can't before I come make big. I can't full house. I don't fish out. I did like that. If the fat say go, maybe go one day. If you say no go, so far they okay. I been that one day important pass. I don't fish out. So far you are okay. So far you are okay with your fat. I don't fish out. I don't want it will be like this thing again. At least if maybe I just still lose some weight now. I'll say it's okay. But this one where I eat now, I don't regret and say why you eat am. Why did you eat this swallow? But the thing make me dey okay. I eat am, come dey laugh. If you see me before, where I never eat am. Hey, me want see how bad I just the verse. When my husband just see me, I say today not be every day not be Christmas. So, I said every day not be Christmas. So today I know they laugh. Even my last month say today not be Christmas. Why did they make you the verse? Now I say you don't understand. I go start tomorrow. I no fish shot. No work big. Tomorrow I go start. As I eat this one, I they laugh. My body make where the thing go inside my belly. It enter outside my body. You see, if waiting you want it, you eat them. Your body go make where it's like maybe you want drink water now, or you want drink mineral. You go there drink water. If you don't give your body that mineral, you no go. If you not be Panadol, you no go feel be like Panadol. Now this one be you. People where they do diet. Hey, I try waste a lot for now. If my kebe no wa or gawa, I will not take the do. I'm not still just me. I will not take the do. I'm not fit. I don't eat all my this now. Say swallow the hungry me, swallow the hungry me. Oh, and now I go cook soup. When I cook the soup, I say no, I don't go eat swallow. When I think I get say swallow, where you did, they make me go do swallow. But I don't do okay now. Tomorrow now, maybe you don't go see hungry me again. I'll continue with my ventura. Hey, salobo. Una way job be less una they eat all the thing. Wait till una tell how una tell the do one. Mona tell me the secret. Some people enjoy eat everything in the morning, breakfast. You go every sometimes 3-4 times they eat a day. They are much twin they eat. If you see them, they will just still make belenge. Oh, as I eat this one now, it don't finish. I don't go eat another thing. Maybe in the evening I'll call it ample. Finish. but everything go there for the body, no comot. And people no fit shout again. If you know special tea where they make person they come down, mona tell me, I go buy. Say make I don't eat my swallow, usually I go to cry, oh, hey. I go to cry, oh, because I want me I dey eat, but you know, I know say many people they talk say some tea dey when they make person they go down. I will say, I never know whether tea they make person go down. I don't know. If maybe Lipton tea sometimes say maybe in the morning say you want drink like that, I still understand. Say tea go really dey, you go dey drink and you go down. I don't know. I never do it before, so I don't know. Now bye my people. I don't eat my father dear. I don't dey laugh. Something they hungry you eat, you know. You can't dey laugh also laugh. Bye my people. Have a nice day.